How to use a glucometer. Glucometers are portable, convenient and easy to use devices used to check blood glucose levels anywhere and anytime. These devices analyze a small amount of blood, usually from a fingertip, and provide results within seconds. Steps to use glucometer. Wash the hands thoroughly with soap and water and pat dry with a towel or use an alcohol swab to clean the finger and make sure it is dry before testing. Remove a test strip from the box of strips. Insert the strip into the slot provided in the glucometer before pricking the finger. Use a clean lancet to prick the finger and wait for the blood to ooze out. Put 1 or 2 drops of blood on the space designated on the strip placed in the glucometer. Apply a clean cotton pad on the pricked side to stop the flow of blood. Normal range of blood glucose. Fasting blood sugar levels 70 to 110 mg per deciliter. Random blood glucose level 110 to 140 mg per deciliter. And postprandial blood glucose levels 80 to 140 mg per deciliter.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार.
Thank you, DPMI.